Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple links to your Instagram profile or Instagram bio. So if you want to share more than one link on your Instagram bio, this tutorial will show you how you can easily add them to your Instagram profile, giving your followers access to all your content in one place. So, adding a multiple links to your Instagram bio is a game changer for sharing your content and driving traffic. And this tutorial simplifies the process so you can maximize your profile potential. So, let's just launch the Instagram application. And now you can just directly head to your profile by clicking on the profile button, and here you can go to edit profile in here, and you'll find the add link option, so you can just click on that. So in here you can add click on the plus icon to add the external link. You can add up to 5 links on your bio. So let's add the first one in here. So here you need to enter the URL. So I'm going to, let's say, copy my YouTube channel link in here to add into the Instagram. You can click on share and copy the link and put it on Instagram bio. For example, you can add title or not in here, and tap on the add external link again and put the second URL or the next URL that you want to. Here I'm going to add my other YouTube channel. For example, let's share this ones right here. Okay, you can copy the link again that you want to put into your Instagram bio. This one here, I'm going to just add it into my YouTube bio. Click on the check icon. So now the links will be visible to everyone on and off Instagram. So even if the person that is seeing your profile is not on Instagram, they can see and click on the link. Let's see how it will appear on the profile. You can see there will be this profiles in here, sorry, the links in here. I'm going to add it the link's name again so that it appears short. Let's click on this. You can click on a check icon. So that's basically it. You can see when the people click on the link, they will see 2 links on my my Instagram bio. So that's how you can add multiple links in your Instagram bio. I hope this will be helpful. So if you think that this video helpful for you, you can give it a thumbs up and share it with your Instagram followers. If you got questions, you can drop them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and click on thanks for more Instagram tips. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.